Today on Ergo at your fingertips, we're comparing backpacks, briefcases, and rolling cases from an ergonomic standpoint. When it comes to ergonomic health, backpacks can be a solid choice. They distribute weight evenly across your shoulders and back, minimizing strain. However, balance is key. A heavy or poorly fitted backpack can lead to back pain or posture problems. Backpacks with padded straps and waist belts enhance comfort and support. The backpack should also fit between your shoulders and waist. Briefcases, while stylish, are not the most ergonomic. Carrying all weight on one side can lead to muscle imbalance and strain on your shoulder and spine. If you prefer briefcases, switch hands frequently or choose a model with a cross-body strap to alternate the load. Rolling may be a great option for ergonomic travel. Choosing one that can roll smoothly beside you versus pulling it behind you with one hand will eliminate twisting of the spine. Perfect for heavy loads and long walks in airports, they keep you pain-free. But watch out for snow, ice, stairs, and overhead bins where you'll need to lift them, potentially causing strain. And don't pack everything but the kitchen sink inside. So, what's the best choice for ergonomic health? If you're packing light, a well-designed backpack is great. For minimalistic travel, consider an ergonomic briefcase with a cross-body strap. And for heavier loads, a rolling case will keep you rolling along without the back strain. There you have it. Make your travel comfortable and your health a priority. Happy travels, and see you next time.